Yeah, you are welcome again. Now today we'll be working on how to remove unnecessary spaces from text in Excel. So sometimes we might be given data sets that have a lot of spaces, unnecessary spaces in between them. So today we'll be learning on how to remove those spaces using Microsoft Excel. So they are so simple, straightforward. And the Excel function we'll be using is called trim. Trim, trim. So let's get to work. So just use, as usual, equals to trim. Click on tab, and then we'll click on the cell where those texts are, and then we'll click on enter. You see, and then we can just double click on this small thing, boom, and then we can rename this as what? Customers name. Yeah, so easy and straightforward. So this is how we remove unnecessary spaces from text. So till we meet next time.